Here we have the Graco Crib, Benton Convertible Crib. And you guys, this is what it looks like when it's all assembled, looking nice and pretty. We went with the light gray, but they also have dark gray, white, black. They have the espresso wood, and then they also have like a lighter color wood. So whatever you guys are, feel more comfortable with, or whatever matches your guys' room, go with that. So this is what the box looks like right here. As you guys could see, it came in one piece. We ordered it from Amazon, and I just can't wait to put this thing together and have our baby sleeping in the crib instead of sleeping in the bassinet. Here's a couple of the details. This is the model number, and it has the color and the weight and all that good stuff. It was made in China. I do like now that Amazon has like the security seal, so you could see if anybody's tampered with it. So I do love that fact. And then we did actually buy a Graco mattress, and we're gonna be putting that together on top of this crib. So we just opened the top, and as you guys could see, they have like this this tissue type paper that has a protector, and they also have styrofoam everywhere. So it is going to be nice and protected. That's one of the things I was worried about on the shipping, but I do like how everything is nice and wrapped. We even have another one right here, but let's go ahead and take everything out. As you guys can see, we do have the hardware box right here, and then we're going to start taking all the pieces out. They are nice and numbered to make it a little bit easier to go ahead and put together. So you guys, I ended up removing all the side posts, and as you guys can see, we have the actual bars for the crib, and this does look nice and sturdy, so it is of high quality. And of course, Graco, we have a lot of other Graco stuff, and Graco is definitely #1 in our books when it comes to buying any kind of like child products. So we just removed the screen from, it comes with like a little padding, little cardboard padding, so we just removed that. And then we do have the springs, and this also looks nice and sturdy. We're gonna throw the mattress on here. We're gonna put everything together and show you guys what it looks like. When you guys are looking for the instructions, it's actually located inside this little envelope right here that is on the springs. So all you have to do is open that envelope, and out pops the manual right here. And this is all the hardware that it comes with right here, and it does come with the Allen wrench, so you don't have to buy anything separate or grab a screwdriver. Everything is included. Voila, you guys, I put the crib together. Everything is looking fine. I just want to show you guys what it looks like and a couple of my thoughts. So I did want to say that the Graco emblem is all the way at the bottom left of it, so it is looking pretty good. Everything is nice and sturdy, you guys. This is a good legit crib. I want to point out a couple of the screw placements and what I had an issue with. And as you guys could tell, this is not the same place that I originally started recording. This is going in my bedroom, which I'm in right now. It is 30 inches from the front all the way to the back, so that was not going to clear the doorway of my bedroom. So I went ahead and just finished everything up in the master bedroom. So that's why I'm in a different room. And so you guys got to be, conscious of that, and that might happen to you guys depending on where you guys are putting it. You might want to assemble in the same room. Okay, so this is definitely adjustable depending on how high and how low you want the spring. I'm also going to put, I do have a Graco mattress as well that I'm going to put on there so you guys can see what it looks like. But so what I did is I put it all the way at the bottom third screw. There's total of 3 holes. You guys can see that's the top one, that's the middle one, the second one, and then the third one is what I used to actually screw it in right there. And so it's on the top. So you could also make this go up and kind of drop it down even deeper. So this metal cage right here, it actually comes almost to the ground. So if you have like 2-year-olds or 3-year-olds, that's what it's recommended for. The higher it goes, the younger the baby is. The lower it goes, the older the baby is. Okay, so that I had a little issue putting that together by myself, so just want to give you guys a heads up on that, but it's not impossible. You can do it by yourself. I do want to point out that I do like this back here. It's a nice little headboard action. I do really like that. Okay, so let me throw the mattress on there and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is also a Graco mattress, and it fits perfectly in there. This is a standard crib, so it's going to fit a standard crib mattress. And that is what it looks like, you guys. I definitely recommend this crib if you guys are in the market for getting a nice crib.